Yeah. Children, one thing is the matter. There is one saying, time and tide wait for none. Many sayings are there, no, many proverbs are there that those proverbs are really helpful to us. Punctuality is also one key to success. Eh? Punctuality is a key to success. Last time I told the students to prepare question paper and to submit by Sunday. Today is Sunday, right? And I'm going to check whether they have sent the questions or not. So the one set of question has come. And do you know who has prepared this question? Who has prepared? Ritika has prepared. Give a big round of applause to her. So we will discuss this question and we will check whether other questions they have come or not. And we will discuss those questions every day. Not only discuss, you have to write also. Where to write? In rough copy. You have to write those questions, answer in rough copy right now. And later on, you have to do in fair copy. That's why whenever you write something, you check out rough copy. So that twice, if the thing is repeated, at least something will go in mind. Isn't it? Okay, question is here. Now let's check. MCQ. What is the first question? Why is calorimeter used? So to measure temperature, to measure heat, to measure pressure, to measure length. Which one is correct? To measure heat, right? Did you complete this question? Discuss and write down also. This is not Netflix time. Just watching movie. What do you do? We watch movie, sir. No, night like that. Now, whatever we discuss, we have to write also. Understood or not? Okay. Shall I go to next one? What are you doing, boy? Take out raw copy and then write down. If you don't have raw copy, manage immediately. You can write in your diary, one new copy is needed. I will give you. Don't write in science copy unnecessarily. You must have separate raw copy. Okay. First question is over. Completed? Now second question is here. What is second question? What is the specific capacity of water? First is 4200 joule per kg degree Fahrenheit, 4200 joule per kg degree centigrade, 120, 42, 42,000. Which one is correct? The second is correct, right? Did you complete this also? I have already asked you. I reminded you that question will be asked. Don't worry. Time will come. I'll call you here. And what you know, what you have read, that thing we have to check. Otherwise, Netflix. Watch, finish. Till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, watching movie only in Netflix. That is the style of this age group student. Nowadays, they don't want to watch YouTube activities because quality is not so good. New type movie comes in Netflix. Zindagi is full of Netflix. Zindagi Netflix na. And afterwards, scientific. Number 2 completed. Now question number 3. What is the question? A motorboat sailing on water produces what kind of wave? A motorboat sailing on water produces what kind of wave? Electronic, magnetic, mechanical, stationary, longitudinal, and transverse. I think both are produced, right? Sound. The wave is also there. Plus, there is longitudinal wave. Did you complete this one? Action. Attention. Make backbone straight. At the age of 16, backbone is not straight. And what happens at the age of 30? Humri budi. Make backbone straight. Those whose backbone is bent, BK. What do they get? BK. Bhata Karwai. Earlier, during the time of those Maoist revolution, they used to do Bhata Karwai for those players of this card, drawn cards. Yes or no? Now those who are not in attention, BK. Did you complete? Okay. Question number 4. What is the question? Which parameter does not change when sound travels from air to water? Temperature, velocity, wavelength, frequency. Which parameter does not change when sound travels from air to water? Air to water, are speed increases or decreases? Decreases means velocity, frequency, wavelength, they are connected. What is the answer? Temperature. Okay. What's the answer? Temperature. Okay. Don't think that whatever they have brought it is okay. Otherwise, why do you check it? Yes or no? Jai Kumar. Jai Bhiru. Sole. Sole, what is the meaning of Sole? You know? We watch Sole, Sole, Sole. I was also thinking, what is the Sole? Sole means last. That Mareko last is Sole. Many may were killed there or not. That's a Sole. And this is the month of Bhole. Shravan is the month of Bhole or not? Then, this was completed, Sole. What is next BSQ? First question. Why is clinical thermometer used? To measure human body temperature, right? Or to measure the temperature of human body. Very simple. Questions are very simple. But some namunas are here. Answer is very simple. Why are you biting a ball pen, boy? Are you hungry? Here you want metallic pen. It costs 8,500 rupees. I will donate you. But you have to buy it. So that within next day you will be thote. And women's wear hariopote in Savan, right? Yes or no? Remember it? You will be thote. Women's wear haru and poelopote. Hey, did you complete this? Remember, write with full interest, right? Interest. If handwriting is Mogambo, then I will make you Gabbar Singh. Eh? Remember, Mogambo and Gabbar Singh. Question number 2. Read the question. Write any two factors that affect heat energy, mass of body, and change of temperature. That means there are three factors, right? One is mass of the body. Next one is difference in temperature. Next one is specific heat capacity. Completed. So they write very nicely. Good. Question number 3. Define frequency of a wave. Frequency of a wave is the number of waves passing a point in a certain time. Number of waves passing through a point in a certain time. If 20 waves are passing in 1 second, then frequency is 20. If 20 waves are passing in 5 seconds, then that is, what is the frequency? 20 divided by 5. 4 hours accordingly. How many cycles are there? And what is the time? Divide, then you will get wave. Okay? Per cycle. Did you complete?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. Question number 4. Give some examples of electromagnetic waves. They are light rays, light wave, X-rays, cosmic rays. Write question and answer. Later on you can do in your fair copy in heroic style. Hero style. There is hero motorbike and your style should be hero. It's completed. Hello. Right. Short question and answer. To differentiate between heat and temperature. What is the first question? Heat. It is the sum of kinetic energy contained by the molecules of object. It is the degree of hotness or coolness. But you just change here also. It is the average of kinetic energy contained by the molecules of object. Here. Here, sum. There, what right? Average. That type of definition we have to write. Differences, right? So one is sum, another is average. Next question is, it is measured in joule and temperature is measured in Kelvin. Our SI unit is joule, SI unit is Kelvin. Okay. So writing speed also you have to improve. Because now I have already said in SE 2081's result, how many Pando? 5. With what is the GPA? 4. You all are capable. But we have given target of only 5. So that everybody will try. If I say all 21 will, then nobody will try. And they become very happy. Oh, I will be, and no strength GPA will come forth. Yes, sir. Did you complete this? How fast our master completes? Junior master? Completed? Okay, next question is, mention the reason for the depression. Dispersion that is. Oh, I am nearly confused. Now light also started depressing. And when will it start loving? Huh? Love, depression, dating, mating, hating. What is the question here? Answer. The depression, no. Dispersion of light. The dispersion of light occurs due to the variation in the refractive index of a medium with respect to the wavelength of light. Different colors of light have different wavelengths, and as they pass through a medium, their speed and direction of propagation changes differently, leading to the separation and dispersion of colors. Spelling became a little mistake. Here should be DIS. This is totally became different. There was one story earlier in Nepali. Fool ki fool. What is that? Very interesting. Fool ki fool. No, that was a story. Very long story was there. One fool, flower. Another fool, kukra ka anda. Right? And the story goes like that. Actually, one person had to buy how many fools? 5 fools. This fool, Kukraka fool, right? And he went to buy. Actually, he was Nokar. Nokar went because someone has come in the house, so they wanted to provide omelette, right? And he went to one house where fools were available. Fools were not available everywhere. And when he was coming, he started thinking. One fool fell down. Yes or no? And again, how many are left? 4. Another also fell down. Next also fell down. All 5 fool fell down. Now what to say there? There was no reason, right? And he was in tension. Oh, they had sent me 5 fool, all fell down. What to do? And in the meantime, he made some person. And he just said everything. What happened is because of my daydreaming, fell down. Now I will be punished. What to do? And the person was very talented. He was a teacher. Teachers are talented, remember it. And what did he do? He just went to one flower garden. He plucked 5 flowers. How many? 5 flowers. And he just mentioned, "Dear love, I have sent 5 fool to you. Please accept." And he just brought, he covered and took. He just presented what was there? 5 flowers. And they read the letter, then they became very happy. He was saved. Full damage. He made full. He nearly became full. He made others full. Okay, this completed. Next one. What is the question? Long question and answer. Hot water of mass 10 kg. Okay, remember it. Here is principle of calorimetry. Hot water of mass 10 kg at 90 degrees centigrade is cooled for taking bath by mixing 20 kg of water at 20 degrees centigrade. What is the final temperature of the water? Specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg degree centigrade. So you must remember what is here. Hot water at 90 degree means this 10 kg is M1. Which one is hot? That is M1. 90 degrees, that is T1. And S1 is how much? 4200 joule per kg per degree centigrade. See it in mind, everybody. Only fond of copying, that is very bad trend. And biting, that is very bad trend. Here is one wrapper also. Okay, what is here? 20 kg. What is this? M2. 20 degree. T2. What is S2? 4200 joule per kg degree centigrade. Then, it's already given here. I'm not so much champion, it's given. What to calculate? Final temperature. What is final temperature? Theta. Mass of hot water, temperature of hot water, she has already written here. Mass of cold water, temperature of cold water, specific heat capacity of water, final temperature of the mixer, she has written T. Okay, small t also is okay, but you must know that one, right? But we have practiced using theta, you can use T also, right? Then, according to formula, what is the formula? M1 times S times T1 minus T. She has used here S and S because substance is same, no? Hot water is mixing with cold water means specific heat capacity is same. M1 times S T1 minus T, M2 times S T minus T2, and answer you just put the value 10, 4200, 20, 4200. Very lovely question she has made. What happens to this girl? This girl is so much smart and she completes everything in the class time. But when is the matter of exam, she doesn't do according to her capacity, right? What happens? You leave your capacity at home and come here doing exam or what are you? So what is this process called? Refraction of light, right? So here is incident ray, refractory, emergent ray. Oh, very nice. And what is the question? Which phenomenon is shown in the given diagram? Refraction of light, right? And name the incident ray, angle of incidence, angle of refraction, and emergent ray. This one. So incident ray AO, refracted ray OB, emergent ray BC, lateral displacement CD, normal N dash, point of incidence O and B. Finish. Work is done very. What happened? Finish. Hello. Finished. Okay. Number 2 also must be there. Then number 3. Which medium is denser out of air and glass? Which one is denser? Out of glass and air, glass is denser medium because the density of glass medium is more than that of air. And the speed of light is more in air. Speed of light is less in glass. In that way we have to write. Okay. This question we have discussed today. In the same way we will discuss others also, but I will check. Next question whether it is sent or not. Now who is there? Next question I am going to check. Okay, Ritika has sent. Next one, whose question? Ritika, next one, who is that? Captain, stand up. Luniba, Bian, who is next? Pujana and Joy. Okay, is your Luniba here? Is your Luniba? Nilisha Joshi has come. Nilisha, is your group? Pass, sit down. Aryan Naruto. Vivek is group. Viveki? Viveki, Joy. Became very interesting also. I think the chapter is completed, right? Which chapter is completed? No. I mean this refraction of light we have completed, right? Okay. Lens and its types. Lens and its types. So tomorrow there is presentation from um, roll number 7. Which roll number 7? Yeah, roll number 7. Wait. Two person started raising hand. They are confused. No. Now it's 10. Why? Now why you're allowing 10? Roll number, okay. Tomorrow two candidates are going to present. Roll number 7, roll number 14. 14. Which 14? Saurat and Simres. I think both more than, right? Yes, good. Okay, Saurat, your duty is to present this one. Hey, Babu, listen. I will give you the tax. Oh, listen up. Excuse me. Lanes and its types, page number 225, 26, 27. Simres. Check there. 225, 26, 27. Simres. And 28, 29, 30. That is the. Yeah. Up to here. This thing. Okay. Which type of thermometer has thermometer and essence? Digital thermometer. Question number 3. Absorption of which ray causes hotness?
Sir, UV rays.
Infrared.
UV rays, infrared, and X-ray or gamma?
Infrared.
Infrared rays. Which of the following the critical angle of glass?
42.
What is that? 42, right? 42 degrees correct. But it can be slightly modified.
Yes.
Which of the following is the critical angle of diamond?
49.
Which of the following is the critical angle of diamond?
20.
The value is given here. So such question you should not solve. Be careful, you leave it. But don't leave everything. Oh sir, there is no answer because I thought no answer is. Idea is very good. But habit is very bad. Completed? Okay. Now next question is very short answer question. Define dispersion of light.
The dispersion of light.
How do you define dispersion of light? The process of splitting of white light into
7 colors, different
colors,
colors.
right? Splitting of white light into 7 different colors. That is called dispersion of light. What is the second question?
Define light.
Define light pipe.
A light pipe is a solid cylindrical transparent device that can transmit light from
Means it's not nothing is kept and just speaking loudly. Define light pipe done. What is anomalous? ANAMOLOUS. Anomalous or animal? What is it? Anomalous is right? Okay. What is anomalous expansion of water? Here is question. Wait.
Specific expansion of water activity exponent.
The peculiar behavior shown by water. Peculiar. PECUR. Excuse me. How are they sitting? Ground. Peculiar. PECULIAR. Peculiar behavior shown by water while heating from 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade. While heating from 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade is called anomalous expansion of water. What happens at that time? When we heat water from 0 to 4, it contracts instead of expanding. That is the peculiar behavior. When you heat the thing, it must expand or not. But water is very naughty thing. It contracts or the liquid they expand. That is called anomalous expansion of water. Give the concept of temperature on the basis of molecular motion. What is the definition of temperature on the basis of molecular motion? Some average, something there, right? The average of kinetic energy possessed by the molecules present in a body. The average of kinetic energy possessed by the molecules present in a body. Right? Completed?
Present by the kinetic energy.
The average of kinetic energy possessed by the molecules present in a body.
Yes, sir.
Done? So this is completed. Now short question. These are of 2 marks each. Eh? How does a radiation thermometer work? Describe in short. First of all, we have to know what is radiation. Radiation is that type of process of transfer of heat in which there is no need of any medium. Without medium also heat can transfer, right? To find out into this one, okay? Describe its heat capacity in short. Give definition and write some examples. Mention the condition required for total interreflection. How many conditions are there? 2 conditions. What are they?
It must pass from denser to
Light must, not heat. Light must pass from denser to rarer medium, and angle of incidence in denser medium must be greater than critical angle. Greater than critical angle. Did you copy this? Question number 4. Describe looming in survey diagram. Oh, looming is given here. The ship is in way at the top, right? And last time I think it was about that aquarium fish also, right? When seen from down, it seems up. Completed? Now, another question. I think last slide is here. Long questions. Do sound waves show the properties of light waves? Justify your answer giving examples. So here you have to show the transmission of sound during day and during night. During day and during night. Okay. Next one is how much heat energy is required to raise 5 kg water from 30 degrees centigrade to 100 degrees centigrade. Specific heat capacity of water is, this one means, which formula we have to apply here? Which formula? Q equals to M S dt. Or C also you can write down. What is this? M. What is this? dt. What is this?
specific heat capacity.
Is it okay?
Yes.
So these are your lollipops. If you, how many of you love the lollipop? 1, 2, 3, 4 they love. Okay. What is the cost of lollipop?
High pitch.
Within 5 rupees it comes.
Yes. Small one.
Big lollipops are also there.
Yes, a big one also.
How much does it cost? Oh, only a bit heavy one. But if you buy a bit more, then let's do one thing. Let's collect some money and on that someone's birthday have lollipop together. That is lovely also. Isn't it, right? Because it is not so costly also.
In my bottle.
Nali, I could remember, no. I think it's the time of 2057. You were not in this earth. In 2057, yes. What we used to do, we used to have one program. Students were also very less in number. Those who used to deserve highest marks in science, other students they had to collect money and reward him.
Lollipop.
For example, if Sony has deserved highest marks, other students they must collect 5 rupees. Especially what was the maximum limit? Collect 5 rupees, and within 100 rupees or something like that, buy some gift and give. That is inspiration. Idea was not so much bad, right? So, or sometimes what can be done if same person is repeated, then another person who is doing well can be done also. The idea is not so bad. So what is possible you do? Take out your fair copy, complete all these works as soon as possible. Okay, you boy come here, I will ask you. You Tapan Paudel, come here.